Hey guys, it's Swazo, and today I'll be showing you how I do my kind of go-to eye look. It's pretty much just my standard makeup that I do most of the time. Some people are asking how I do this makeup, so yeah, here's a tutorial on how I do it. So starting off, I've already done all of my face makeup. So getting straight into the eye makeup, I'm using this Lorac, really dirty Lorac eyeshadow palette. You can get this from Amazon, it's quite cheap and it's what I usually use for most of my eye looks. And using an eyeshadow brush that I also got from Amazon, picking up this brown shade and applying it to my outer corners and blending it towards the centre of my eye just in my crease. Just using back and forth motions with my brush, slightly blending it. And if you know me, you know that I hardly ever use brushes, so kind of making the transition to using brushes for my eyeshadow rather than my fingers. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, just blending it on both eyes, trying to get them to look the same, yeah. And also little by little adding a bit more brown eyeshadow to darken it up after I blended it out so I can get the sort of depth that I want, and just really working it into my crease. I also drag the eyeshadow underneath my eyes and blend that out towards the middle. And then moving on to eyeliner, I use this Rimmel London Glam Eyes eyeliner in Black Glamour. I will list all of the products that I use in the description below. And I just drag that along my eyelid, trying to make it look as clean as possible. And just filling that in. Also, if you're wondering what contact lenses I'm wearing, they are the Daisy Grey lenses from Pastel Dreams UK. I will put a link in the description to them, and don't forget that you can use my coupon code SWAZO for 10% off. And so after I filled in the eyeliner, I then kind of extend it downwards, just kind of following the natural line of my eye, I suppose, and then bringing it underneath, making a sort of downwards, outwards wing, I suppose, and you know, filling that in. Not really sure how to explain it, but you can see what I'm doing. And then obviously doing the same thing to the other eye. The most difficult part of this is definitely trying to get both sides to look symmetrical. So just take your time and keep looking at your other eye for reference, just trying to get it to look symmetrical. So then getting this black eyeshadow, you can do this the complete other way around if you want to, like doing your eyeliner after the eyeshadow, but this is just the way that I like to do it. So taking that black eyeshadow on my finger and just kind of blending the bottom eyeliner line thing towards the centre of my eye, and then using my other finger I just kind of blend that upwards just slightly, not too much. Just making it blend a little bit more naturally into the crease, but keeping the black concentrated mostly on the outer bottom corners, and gradually blending it towards my inner corners. And again, the exact same on the other eye. And you want to be careful with this because black eyeshadow can get quite messy and patchy, so make sure it's all nicely blended and take your time. And going back in with my brush, blending out the edges just a little bit more. And then I usually go back in with some face powder underneath my eyes to like kind of clear the area up a little bit. And now time for mascara. I just coat that on my lashes to make them black. And then taking my false lashes, I got these from Amazon, and using my Duo eyelash glue. Again, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get the lashes. And using this Makeup Revolution highlighter while the glue kind of gets tacky on the lashes. So while the glue is drying a little bit on the lashes, I just apply the highlighter to my inner corners, my cheekbones, underneath my eyebrows, on my nose, and my cupid's bow. So once the glue is tacky on my eyelashes, I just stick them on. And make sure those pesky inner corners are stuck down. And of course do the same on the other eye. And sometimes after I've done my eyelashes, I go back in with some more black eyeshadow to darken it up. And coating my bottom lashes with some mascara, although I don't always do this. And again cleaning up the area around my eyes and going back in with some more highlighter. And yeah, that's the eyes done. So after that I just move on to my lips, and you can use really any colour you want with this. Today I'm using the shade Kinda Sexy from MAC, which is my go-to lip colour. So that's my makeup done, and now it's time for my wig. This wig is from Eva Hair. I will put a link in the description to where you can get this, and also I did a review video on this wig, so you can check that out. I'll put a link in the description to it if you want to see it. And so yeah, here is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to leave it a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Have a wonderful day, and I shall see you guys in the next video.